Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a V-sketch. First, let's prepare our drawing space and tools. You will need a graphite pencil, preferably a 2B or 4B for versatility, along with some smooth drawing paper and a reliable eraser. A well-lit area is crucial for seeing your lines clearly. Remember to hold your pencil gently for those initial, light construction lines. This makes adjustments much simpler as you begin your sketch. Now, let's lay down the fundamental V-shape. Start by drawing two very light, straight lines that angle inward, meeting at a single point at the bottom. Think of it like an inverted pyramid or a simple open book. Experiment with the angle between these lines. A wider angle creates a broader V, while a narrower angle makes it more acute. Aim for a balanced appearance on both sides. To bring your V-sketch to life, let's add some depth. Imagine your V has a bit of thickness. You can suggest this by drawing a third, slightly offset line parallel to one of the main V lines. Next, decide where your light source is coming from. This will dictate where the shadows fall. Use your pencil to apply gradual shading, building up darker tones in areas away from the light and leaving lighter areas highlighted. For our final steps, it's time to refine your V-sketch. Gently erase any initial light construction lines that are no longer needed and clean up any smudges. Now, go over your main V-shape outlines with slightly firmer, more confident strokes to make them stand out. Consider adding very subtle textures or small details within the V to give it more character and visual appeal. Your V-sketch is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.